is up, bass fishing freaks? Luke Reeser here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Owen and I are going to try our luck this morning on the lake. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. There's a little bit of fog out there. We've got some topwater tied on. So I have got a buzzbait, a frog, and 3 flipping rods. So we're going to see what we can come up with. Schlaunch hunting starts now. Stay tuned. We're going to start off right by the truck. Some fish popping up here. There we go. Looks like a good one too. Yeah, it is.
Got a leader fella. That's like a 3 pounder. That's what we're looking for. You're gonna fish.
3 pounds, 1 ounce. That's how we start the morning out, with a 3-pound fish on a buzzbait.
Well, I got a 4.
Gonna be a good day.
Uh-oh.
There we go. Yep. Hooked up. Another buzzbait fish. Oh, it's a giant. Big old $half eye slaunchtopus. Get reeling. There you go. You want to, hey, little tip, you want to reel it as slow as you can, as long as it stays on top. You want to keep it on top though. As slow as you can, but keep it up like that. See?
That one?
Yep.
How did you do that?
Slow-mo. Smaller jaws. Morning. There's another one.
Oh my God.
Bass are biting.
Yeah.
Topwater.
Oh.
Another one? Oh my, how many fish you got? They're right there. Holy crap. Oh, new crap. Holy crap. That
See
was
it, buddy?
that was a big one.
There we go.
Oh,
Oop!
oh,
Spit it out.
oh my God.
Yeah. Fight them out. Good job, bud. With the pit boss.
That big one?
I saw you when you said come on, and I looked back, I'm like, that's a fish, Owen. I never said nothing.
I thought it was small. Now, you need to fix it.
There you go. Pound and a half.
Pound?
Probably 2 pounds. He's chunky. Hold him for a picture.
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down deep in his throat. Yep. Pinch tough.
He's warm.
Yep. Look at me. Alright. Throw him in.
Bye-bye.
No, you throw him in nicely. Set him in.
Bye-bye, Felicia.
So here's the deal, folks. They were loving the buzzbait down by the dam this morning. So I think we're going to go back down there. Now I caught like 5 right away. One was just over 3 pounds. So I think we're going to go back down there. We've been fishing this shoreline. Fished it with a buzzbait. Didn't get no hits. Been flipping it. Owen's on the struggle bus over there. He did land one. About 1.5 pound, 2 pounder. On a pit boss. We're going to go back and try the buzzbait a little bit more. And see what we can come up with.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
You got it. Out of nowhere. How did you catch that?
Boom shakalaka.
Boom. You got pink. Hey.
Got everything soaked, didn't I? Well, folks, that's a wrap. It definitely wasn't a slaughter fest out here this morning. Started off pretty good. Caught quite a few in a buzzbait right away in the morning. But about 6 o'clock, the bite started slowing down. Just came over here and started flipping some shorelines and caught a few, but not a lot. So I don't know. Pretty slow day. The majors from 4 to 6 p.m. and the minors from 9 to 10:30. And we're taking out just before the minor starts. So that's fishing though. So pit boss caught a few, but the black war eagle buzzbait was dynamite this morning. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. We are over halfway to our goal of 100 subs for that giveaway that I'm going to do. Make sure you change your preferences on YouTube and make it public. Make your subscriptions public so that I can see that you're a subscriber of mine. Like this video if you haven't already. Smash that thumbs up button. We're out of here for the day. Gonna go do some pre-fishing later on the river. I think got a tournament coming up Sunday. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and like I always say, you're never too fat to fish. So a quick tip of the day: if you want to be successful bass fishermen, you got to have a sweet sticker on the back of your motor similar to this one. Kicking bass. If you see the kicking bass 200 going down the Mississippi River, stop and give a toot toot to Lead Mine Lunkers.